beauties, it's your girl Road to Roots coming today. You guys, excuse the family in the background. Y'all know it's the holidays and we got a house full. Everybody's home for the holidays. Anywho, I'm gonna do a quick Sunday Road to Roots. I usually do this on Sunday, so a quick cook with me video. Show you guys a really quick holiday Eve prep, because I know most of you guys are cooking a big meal on the actual holiday, New Year's, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So the day before, you don't really want to cook too much, but then you want to have something your family can eat. So that's why I decided to come up with this New Year's Eve or Christmas Eve meal. I know this video is late, but you guys, I recorded it, I took a break, and now I'm posting it. Okay, you guys, with the cheese wraps and all that, and the crackers, and my husband love that. Every holiday, that's what he requests. When I go to the store, look for the cheese and crackers they have during the holiday season. So of course I had to make it happen and fix this on Christmas Eve. You guys, these ham and cheese croissant sandwiches, it's ham, cheese, and turkey. My family demolished these things. I didn't even get a chance to taste them, but I'm gonna do it again because I got that idea off of Pinterest. I'm gonna try it again, you guys, and next time I might even try it with breakfast food, because I've seen it with breakfast food, I've seen it with taco, I've seen it with all kinds of different ideas, but this time I actually use the ham and cheese and turkey. Okay, you guys, so with the fruit, of course, we had to have some fruit. We got strawberries, raspberries, we have grapes, we have blackberries, we have, girl, you name it, we have a pineapple, all of the above. And like I said before, my family demolished this whole meal. We got eggs in the seasonings. I put onion and bell pepper. I think this onion and celery I already had chopped up, y'all, so that's what we're using. Onion and celery. We're not putting onion on this side because the little monsters don't like it. Okay, I realized the little monster don't even eat eggs, y'all, so we was doing all that for nothing. But this side have onion and bell pepper and celery and stuff, and then this side does not. But let me throw some cheese on them and pop them in the oven. Okay, cheese is on them. Looks super yummy. Now let's throw them in the oven. Okay, so you guys, with the omelets, the muffin omelets, that's what I'm going to call them. They turned out so great, so yummy. They smashed those as well. They were a hit. This whole meal, you guys, it took a while to prep, of course, with the fruit and the cheese and crackers and all that, but the actual breakfast itself, the pancakes, bacon, eggs, and all that, of course, that's like the normal breakfast, so it didn't take long at all to fix that. Y'all, excuse the little monsters in the background. They go back to school next week, y'all. My house will be back to normal quietness and clean, and more foods being in the refrigerator. Y'all know how it is to have teenagers, grown folks. They ain't even teenagers, they grown folks, yeah. Anywho, thanks for watching.